Okay guys, so I don't know about y'all, but sometimes my microwave needs a little clean out. So this is the glass plate that's in the middle of it. You can see like there's some gunk on it. Okay, so I simply put the soft paste that we made earlier in the video series, and I'm just gonna go around it. Look how easy it makes that stuff come off. If you have a hard spot like that, let it sit for a few minutes and then come back to it. Okay, but you guys, this soft scrub can be used for anything in your kitchen. It should be called kitchen do-all. But you can just see, like, it literally, and again, if you just need a little bit more wild orange in there, you can use that. Okay, but you just simply wipe it off. Okay, super simple to do. See the back side. Same way, just use a little bit of the soft scrub. Okay, you can even, so it's safe enough to even just use your fingers. See how easy that comes off? Okay, super simple, and it's clean. Okay, you can also use this like in your sink. So maybe you just need to kind of clean out the sink a little bit. Just take it, wipe around it, get all the scrum off, all the yucky stuff, and it smells amazing. Okay, so super easy to do. It shines up your stuff. Simply take your sprayer. Y'all, super easy to clean with, okay? So definitely make you some, post a picture below so we can see it, and let us know in the Facebook group that you made it, okay?